Alright guys, gonna run the 200-piece mechanics tool set Dewalt. 10 spots, $12 each for Chase. Time is 6:08 on the East Coast. And let's grab this list. And let's grab this one. Sometimes things change. People lose spots, so I like to get the last one. 6:08. Sean on top, Paul on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or more. 9 is our row. We're starting at 6:08:27. 08:27. 3, 4. Holy shit! Come on, randomize the names. 6, 7, 8. Liberio, who's been on top 4 times out of 8. Fucking random is not very random at all. Final row will be at 6:08 p.m. Eastern. Number 9. Paul Bristol, spot 2. 9, 9, 902, 856. Verification. Spot number 2. Congrats. Done at 6:09 East Coast.